Bitcoin trades above $41,600, Ether crosses $2,200. 28 crypto VDA providers register with FIU India to comply with PMLA norms. BlackRock received $100,000 seed funding for spot Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin miner Phoenix rises 50% after $371 million Abu Dhabi IPO. El Salvador's Bitcoin bet turns green, says president. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Crypto markets were trading lower on Tuesday on profit-taking a day after the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, touched $42,400 mark for the first time in 19 months, registering a 150% rise so far this year, positioning it for its best annual performance since 2020. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The potential approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, a pooled investment product that can be purchased and sold like stocks, is what is driving the most recent rally, market participants believe. Prior to the big crypto market meltdown caused by the collapse of the Terra Luna ecosystem, the last time Bitcoin traded above $40,000 was in April 2022. Now, despite earlier setbacks, the market is rebounding strongly, driven by optimism about potential regulatory changes and broader market trends. Financial markets are seeing a second day of risk aversion, which has kicked off profit-taking in crypto, analysts said. Institutional investors of late have been investing in crypto markets, as recent data from CoinShares suggests that funds investments rose by $176 million last week, registering a 6th week in a row in flows. BTC was trading down by 0.64% at $41,660 after gaining 12.5% in the last 7 trading sessions. According to an update by ambcrypto.com, amid its rally above the $40,000, the number of addresses holding BTC has surpassed 50 million, and the total number of addresses holding BTC has grown by 17% since January. While a separate data from Sentiment also showed that there are 51.14 million BTC addresses with a balance. Ether, the second largest crypto market cap, was trading at $2,200, down by 0.5%, adding 9.25% in the last 7 trading sessions. According to an update by FX Street, Ethereum worth $16.7 million was sent to crypto exchange FalconX, which could be positioned to sell, and that individual investors are also seen depositing ETH to centralized platforms likely to book profits. Players in the crypto stock surged on the back of recent rally. Coinbase, a leading crypto exchange, saw its stock jump by 7.5%. Bitcoin investor MicroStrategy also showed impressive gains, rising by 8.2% after purchasing Bitcoins worth $593 million last month. While Bitcoin miners such as Riot Platforms, Marathon Digital and CleanSpark have seen their stocks jump between 10 to 18%. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, which tracks Bitcoin futures, rose by 7.7%, setting it on course to reach a more than 1-year high. Binance BNB was down 0.8% at $229. Talking about 666RP, it was down 3.3% at $0.61. Next on the list, Solana Sol was trading lower by 0.1% at $60.2. Cardano's ADA token slipped 1.2% to trade at $0.4. Next on the list, DogeCoin was trading up by 0.1% at $0.088. Avalanche AVAX was trading flat at $22.1. Polygon Matic was down 0.8% at $0.8. Last on the list, we have Polkadot's DOT. It was down 0.8% at $5.55.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. According to Indian Finance Ministry, 28 virtual digital asset service providers, including India's prominent crypto exchanges like WazirX, CoinDCX, and CoinSwitch have registered themselves with the Financial Intelligence Unit India. The Finance Ministry in March has stated that under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, entities dealing in VDAs, crypto exchanges and intermediaries would be considered reporting entity. According to Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary, the guidelines and reporting requirements are also applicable to offshore crypto exchanges servicing the Indian market. As per the anti-money laundering norms, reporting entities must maintain KYC details or record of documents evidencing the identity of its clients and beneficial owners, as well as account files and business corresponding relating to the clients. Investment giant BlackRock revealed in its fresh application with the US Securities and Exchange Commission that it received $100,000 as seed capital for its proposed Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. The seed capital investor agreed to purchase $100,000 in shares on October 27, 2023, and on October 27, 2023 took delivery of 4,000 shares at a per-share price of $25, the filing said. Seed capital represents the initial funding that allows an ETF to fund the creation units underlying the ETF so that shares can be offered and traded in the open market. BlackRock's proposed iShare Bitcoin Trust is one among the 13 spot Bitcoin ETF applications awaiting regulatory approval, which will invest in Bitcoin rather than futures tied to the leading cryptocurrency. Phoenix Group, a cryptocurrency mining firm, has debuted trading on the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, becoming one of the Middle East's first publicly listed industry firms. The Phoenix Group stock opened at 2.25 dirhams or $0.6 on December 5th, according to data from ADX Exchange. The PHX stock has soared as much as 50% from the initial public offering price of 1.5 AED or $0.41 as per the Phoenix IPO prospectus. The Phoenix cryptocurrency miner aims to use the IPO proceeds to fund its future growth and deliver positive returns for investors. Nayib Bukele, El Salvador's pro-Bitcoin president, has announced on X that country's much scrutinized Bitcoin investments have turned profitable. Bukele noted in his post that if they were to sell their Bitcoin holding, then they stand to make a profit of $3.6 million as per the current rate of Bitcoin. However, Bukele added that El Salvador has no intention of selling its Bitcoin holdings. Bukele touted his tweet to get back at his critics in the media and demanded that report this new reality with the same intensity they reported the previous one. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have XRP. XRPL Labs CTO Richard Holland has introduced a new proposal, which is XLS55D Remit Atomic Multi-Asset Payments for ZAO, which aims to revolutionize payment transactions within the ZAO sidechain. Remit is a cutting-edge payment transactor designed specifically for ZAO, allowing users to send multiple currencies and tokens in a single transaction. Its no-matter-what delivery principle ensures the exact amounts and types of tokens specified by the senders each the recipients. Remit's sender-oriented approach ensures transaction clarity and transparency by charging fees for transaction processing. Account holders can activate the ASF disallow incoming remit setting, implement a hook to manage incoming remits, or burn or return unwanted URI tokens and issued currencies. Remit is a promising addition to the XRPL family, focusing on user control, security, and multi-asset functionality, paving the way for more seamless and integrated digital payment solutions. However, it had no impact on XRP's price as it was trading at $0.61, down near 4% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano has experienced a surge in whale activity in recent months, with large transactions exceeding $100,000. This indicates growing interest from institutional players and whales, which can lead to price spikes. Cardano has seen a 25.2% increase in trading in the last 30 days and a 27.2% increase year to date. CoinGecko data shows that Cardano trading higher by 25.2% in the last 30 days and 27.2% year to date. ADA has also seen a 4.17% increase in the last 24 hours to $0.412, while the 8th largest cryptocurrency has gained 7.08% in the past 7 days. The increase in whale activity and the overall crypto market uptrend may propel Cardano to new highs, although the possibility remains unknown. Today, ADA was trading at $0.4, down near 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Sui. Sui, a layer 1 blockchain and smart contract platform, has surpassed $150 million in total value locked in just 6 months since a mainnet launch. The milestone places Sui within the top 20 blockchains in TVL, indicating a growing DeFi ecosystem with a strong developer talent and community. Sui network has also surged past $100 million in bridged stablecoins and surpassed Bitcoin in total historical on-chain transaction count, showcasing its scalability and efficiency. The platform has set a new record for the most transactions processed in a single day by any blockchain. The Sui network is supported by a robust network of independent DeFi projects such as Cetus, which recently achieved a significant feat of surpassing $1 billion in total transaction volume, highlighting the depth and decentralization of the Sui network's DeFi landscape. Sui was trading at $0.63, up near 1% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Terra. Terra ecosystem tokens including Terra 2.0 and Terra Classic have seen significant increases in recent weeks, with 3 tokens, Luna Classic, Terra 2.0 and Terra USD Classic USDC jumping up to 70% in the past 24 hours. This could be one of the best project reversal stories in the crypto industry. The original network Terra Classic is an independent blockchain created by Terraform Labs, while Terra 2.0 is a forked version created by Terra's Collapse. Terraform Labs has invested $15 million into Terra ecosystem projects to buffer up liquidity, making certain trading pools more attractive for on-chain traders. Binance continues to implement a burn scheme, permanently removing LUNC from circulating supply based on transactional fees earned on LUNC trading pairs. Terra was trading at $1.09, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Audi. The crypto market is rejoicing as ordinals experience a significant market surge, with Audi price experiencing a 500% increase over the past month. The surge has exceeded expectations, attracting market observers who are pleasantly surprised by the substantial rise in price and signs of robust growth. Ordinals are a systematic numbering system for Satoshis, providing a mean to monitor and transfer individual stats. These numerical designations, known as ordinal numbers, are assigned based on the order in which Satoshis are mined and transferred from transaction inputs to outputs. Ordinals can be linked to arbitrary assets like NFTs, security tokens, accounts, or stablecoins, though the use of the ordinal numbers serving as stable identifiers. The open source initiative Ordinals is actively developed on GitHub and comprises various components, including a BIP outlining the ordinal scheme, an index that interfaces with a Bitcoin core node to track Satoshi locations, a wallet for ordinal-aware transactions, a block explorer for interactive blockchain exploration, functionality for embedding Satoshis with digital artifacts, and a comprehensive manual for users. Ordinals was trading at $49.31, up near 17% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.